This video is about some problems on Samsung M53 5G after the latest software update. The problems mentioned were shared by this phone's users and I will suggest possible remedies. Another important thing in this video is regarding my upcoming giveaway for the month of December. Watch this video completely to learn more. Samsung M53 5G is a mid-level budget phone, but I always feel it is overpriced compared to the first Galaxy M51, which was definitely a good phone and had 7000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 730G processor and better cameras. The only good thing worth mentioning in Samsung Galaxy M53 is the 120Hz refresh rate Super AMOLED Plus display, as no other company can make this good quality displays like Samsung. However, we should not forget about how various phones like Samsung Note 10 Plus, Samsung S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, etc. started developing display problems like green tint issue, purple lines problem, etc. after the latest One UI software updates. Also, coming to the cameras on Samsung M53 5G, we can see that the Samsung M53 5G camera test gives average quality photos, which is not a good thing for this price range. Now, I'll come to the problems on Samsung M53 5G, and the first problem is the phone showing a black screen when the camera app is open. Apart from the camera issue, the touchscreen does not seem to work when this is happening. So the phone is definitely hanging, and this occasionally happens when the phone is hot. The second problem is touchscreen not responding. This video was shared by a user who was having these problems after the latest software update. Sometimes the phone auto restarted too, and this phone user was experiencing everything, especially when the phone was hot. Now I'll share the solution for these two problems. So if you are facing this on any phone, press and hold volume down button and power down button together till the phone is forced shut down. After this, you can just normally turn on the phone and it will work fine. Now coming to the third problem on the phone, this is a display problem and it was shared by another user. It seems like there is some software bug that randomly increases saturation when the phone's orientation is changed. This is clear from this video, and in this video you can see that it's happening with YouTube app, and as per my calculations, if this is not happening anywhere else, then it is a YouTube app bug. So the solution is clearing data and cache of YouTube app. But if this problem seems to be happening with other apps as well, then trying a factory reset of the phone is the only trick to do. If you are interested to know about different kinds of problems on any phone you want, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. The first two problems can be because of the MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor coupled with 6GB of RAM, which means the phone is hanging and heating as enough memory is not available for it to work well. Even my OnePlus 9 Pro with 12GB RAM always have only around 4.5GB RAM free. So if a phone is only having 6GB RAM, I guess you can calculate the rest. So even after all this, you are going to buy this phone, then don't buy the 6GB RAM variant. Gaming test on the 8GB RAM variant is satisfactory, even if there is some noticeable heating issue when you're gaming for long duration. Now, I'll give more information on the first phase of giveaway that's happening in this December. This giveaway is how I'm gonna share half of my first YouTube income with my subscribers who are my support. I'm planning on giving a Bluetooth speaker and a Bluetooth earphone or headphone this month by a lucky draw. All you have to do is click the link pinned in the comments below, enter your details and stay tuned to the date of lucky draw. Share this to your friends and family members as well and help them too.